Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best mouse traps that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Victor Easy Set Mouse Trap. Victor wooden mouse traps are a classic in the pest control industry, and for good reason. The modern versions of these traps feature a large trip pedal, which allows the trap to catch more mice faster. These traps also have sensitivity settings that allow you to raise or lower the trap sensitivity to prevent it from deploying due to vibrations from machinery or environmental changes. While some of these traps are pre-baited for your convenience, you can also add your bait of choice, like peanut butter. These traps work great in indoor and outdoor settings and are strong enough to kill mice, rats, and other small rodents. The best thing about these traps, though? They're affordable and fully disposable. After the trap catches a mouse, you simply toss it in the trash and set another one. No cleaning, resetting, or sanitizing is required. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Catchmaster Pro Series Multi-Catch Mouse Trap. The Catchmaster Multi-Catch Mouse Trap is the perfect choice for households with large mouse populations. Capable of catching up to 30 mice at once, this trap is easy to use right out of the box. The trap features a lever that traps mice inside of a holding area, leaving them no way to escape. At 10.25 by 6.25 inches by 1.75, this trap is spacious and low profile, which makes it perfect for placing in tight areas, like the space beneath furniture or under cabinets and appliances. This trap can also be used with or without glue boards and is available with a clear top, which makes it easy to check the trap for mice. At number 3, we have the Victor Electric Trap. Designed to catch, kill, and contain mice, the Victor Electric Mouse Trap is a fast-acting, humane way to eliminate mice. In fact, the trap can kill up to 50 rodents per set of fully charged batteries. This trap features a high-voltage shock, which kills mice immediately. It also offers a no-touch disposal feature, which allows you to dispose of dead rodents without manually handling them. This is also a great safety feature since it reduces your risk of contracting rodent-borne diseases. While this trap may seem like it provides less visibility than snap or multi-catch traps, it solves that problem by offering an LED alert. A green light notifies you that the trap has made a catch. At number 2, we have the Tomcat Glue Trap. Tomcat brand glue traps are a go-to in the pest control industry. Offering a large size, super sticky glue, and high contrast color, for quick pest identification, these glue traps are the perfect addition to any mouse trapping program. Depending on your needs and preferences, you can use these traps alone or with multi-catch traps or bait boxes. They're ready to use immediately and can be an excellent way to control mouse populations or monitor infestation levels. And finally, at number 1, we have the Tomcat Spin Trap. The Tomcat Spin Trap is a fully enclosed trap that catches and kills mice quickly. Thanks to its enclosed design, the trap also contains dead mice in the capture area, which minimizes exposure to the dead rodents. This trap is user-friendly, easy to set, and easy to empty. The trap's two-way entry allows mice to enter from either direction, while the removable bait cup makes adding your choice of attractant easy. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon